Hi everyone, this is Rubaeltigani. Welcome to my channel. This is my series, my first YouTube series where I show you how I trained myself, how I created my first video, my first thumbnail, and basically everything on my channel. This video is about how to create a thumbnail on Canva. Once you landed on the Canva website that I will be referencing on the description below this video, you can log in or sign up through your Google account or your Facebook account. You will land on your home page where you can see on the top left create design. Click on it and search for pretty much whatever you want. In our case, we're looking for a YouTube thumbnail. So here are all the templates. You can browse all these templates. You guys, these are ready templates. All you need to do is to really just customize them. So I'm trying to select here a template that I like, and I decided to go with this one, and now all I need to do is to customize it. So let me go to downloads. Here is a photo that I had taken earlier, and I uploaded it through upload an image or video. I took this photo through a mobile, so the quality was pretty alright. Adding text is very easy, so I like this text template, and I've already had some text copied in my clipboard. Yep, my first YouTube video series, and I'm gonna customize it and pretty much add whatever information I want to add that I think it will look attractive for somebody to get to my video if they see this thumbnail. And then I can change the color. You can play with it. You can change the color, you can add background, and it is extremely easy. So here I'm going to add an element. I searched for a square and I really like this shape. It's kind of like a square, but it looks a little bit royal, and I will be changing colors. I'd like the color to go with the color of my logo, so that's why I'm selecting this color, and then later I'll be adding my logo just to have it a little bit more stylish and pinkish. Yeah. So I'll go and I will search for Canva, and I will drag it and adjust its size, right? So I think that once you see this thumbnail, there are a few things that you're able to understand, that it's easy way to create a thumbnail in Canva, and that this thumbnail you're looking at is made in Canva. And yeah, so then once you're done, go ahead and download it. Select the PNG. This is suggested. I always like to have the size a little bit bigger, so I'll go for the 2. And you guys, because I worked on few pages, I'm just gonna download page number 2, which is the page that I have been sharing with you. In few seconds you get your design. It's already downloaded. Yeah, so this is the final design. Thank you everyone for watching my series, my first YouTube video series where I explain how I trained myself, how I created uh, art to my page, thumbnails, and how I edit my movies in iMovies. Stay tuned and explore the rest of my series.